Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my faux locks. I haven't done this in a minute, like almost a year, or over a year actually. And I'll be using this Cuban Marley hair. I also have the link to the hair in my description, so if you need to order the hair, you can go ahead and just click on the link and you should be good to go. I'll be using color 27 and color 30. And the hair says it's 24 inches, but to be honest, this stuff is like way more than that because when you start wrapping, it's just really long. And I have used the same hair to do like a Marley twist for my clients, and their hair is like literally touched their butt or even like a little bit past their waist, but this stuff I think is more than 24 inches. I used 2.5 packs from each, so total about 5 packs to get this look. My client wants the goddess faux locks, and I will be doing that for her. And I use a different hair to continue wrapping, not because of anything special, just because I don't want the ends to be bulky, and also I'll be adding curls towards the end, so I don't know, the Cuban hair is a bit thicker, it's thick, and I just found something smaller to like just finish up the ends. And I'll be using the, what is this curls called again? The go-go curls for the curls. And I think I use I didn't finish both of the packs, I still have some left from both of them. And yeah, that's how I prep. I use the bottom one to start, and the one at the top I use it to continue. So again, I haven't done this in a minute. So if I'm doing something wrong, I really want to learn how to do this stuff without having to burn the ends, because I'm scared it's gonna unravel. And people have told me I could use the nail glue, and I've also heard stories about the nail glue not working at all. So the burning method has been working for me like very well, and that's why I keep using the burning method. And I think for the faux locks, it makes sense. But if you have any other skills or whatever, just let me know, or just add your link, or just let me know where I can see, so I can just try to get better with this one. And also, if you have better hair or just hair that you can recommend for me to use for this style, I am very open to it. And yes, my client wanted the box, and that is what I'll be doing for her. So I start wrapping with the thicker one, which is the 24 inches one that you saw me holding earlier, and I'll be finishing up my ends with the skinnier ones. And before I start, I usually like just spread out the ends because it's just kind of thick. This hair is it's very annoying. I guess it's because I've been doing a lot of distress locks and butterfly locks, and now I'm just like to this one. But I used to do this one a lot. Like, I used to be so confident in doing this one, but now I'm just like, I don't know, just because, I have to burn it, and I don't like when I have to burn something because I know that's really annoying. But anyways, I crochet the hair in, and then I'm going to start wrapping. And basically all you're doing for this one is just, there's no tricks or anything. You just have to have your hands like really close, just so that you don't skip a part. Because this hair, when you skip your client's hair, I think this one can easily get unraveled. That's the reason why I have to burn it. I don't do the wrapping all the way up and then rub on my palm. I don't do it for this one. This one I have to use I have to burn the ends. And as you can see me wrapping, I'm just wrapping very close. It's not tight. It's just stiff because, of course, the hair is it's Marley hair, so it's really stiff. But yeah, just keep wrapping, and then when I'm out of hair, I'm going to go ahead and attach the hair that I told you guys about, and I'm going to continue wrapping. Yeah, and also for this style, she wanted to get the waist length, and that's what I'm doing for her. And she wants the curls to go like towards the ends and everywhere, and I'll be doing that for her. So if you want to see how I got the curls everywhere, keep watching. Also, I know that the colors, they're all color 27, but I know that when I attach the other one, it's looking a bit different. But trust, it's not even going to you cannot really tell when you're done. You know what I mean? Like, you can't really tell when you're done. But again, like I said, I'm looking for something better. If you have anything better for me, let me know, and I am open to trying new things because I just want the best and the best for my clients. Well, that would be all on like big information. And again, if you want to see how I'm able to have the curls going in between, keep watching. And also, I forgot to take a picture of this one. I don't know why, I just totally forgot, but I have the way it looks towards the end so you guys can see my after result. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.